All right, May 30th, and Chuck's here, and we've picked up the wood for the deck. It's good to have a buddy with a big flat trailer.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah, we grabbed us some boards. We're just gonna stash them for right now. Got to, as I mentioned in that last video, fill up these cabinets out in the garage, and then we'll get out here and start taking everything off the deck, all these chairs and stuff, and just get ready to start unscrewing the bad ones and removing them. And Sherry, I know Sherry had to have her hands in this deal, so I'm going to get her. I got a little 6-inch roller, and I'm going to get her the paint, and I'm going to set up the wood, and she's going to paint the wood and get her hands dirty, and she's going to have all kinds of fun doing it. So that way she can enjoy margaritas, bragging to her friends about how she did it all by herself. So I'm going to get busy loading these bad boys up onto the underneath the rail onto the pool deck, because the pool deck doesn't need any work. So and then it's into the shop and start loading up, deciding what's going to go where, what we can throw away, stuff like that, and get moving on. Beautiful day. It's supposed to be like 74. I should probably go in and put some shorts on. Got the sweatpants on, Bob. I know. Bob's going to make fun of me, but that's just the way it is, bro. Hang in there, y'all. It'll get better.
See you in Ohio.
That's right.